This is a Husqvarna wet saw. It's for cutting tile. You can see the diamond blade over there also. There was an attachment to this that had an angle cutter. And I'm going to get it right now. It's this one. Worked okay for some things, but not okay for small objects. What I had to do for cutting these real small mosaic pieces that were only about 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch was put a little jig on here, and the C-clamp didn't have a flat surface to contact, so it kept on rotating. So I put a piece of wood under there. That gave the C-clamp a contactor, kept it perpendicular to the table. Then I got a ceramic piece. It's the same thickness as whatever ceramic piece I'm going to cut. And by putting this piece of wood over here, C-clamping it down, it put a little bit of a bend in it that would transfer the force here and here. And that bend would act as a spring that whenever this piece of tile would try to loosen up, the spring in this wood would compress it back down so it never flipped out. And I had to get the tension on here right, so I had the right bend in this. I would check the tile every time I cut a new piece, and right before I would run it into the saw. That way it wouldn't rotate, because I was afraid of the saw cutting a piece and this would turn into a shard of glass. If that twisted at all, it would throw it out and it could do some pretty serious damage. So this is my jig for cutting mosaic, really small pieces of tile.